we are now going to create a menu using the ingredients and dishes we have already inputted. Select Create Menu. On the next page, input the menu name we are going to create. Let's go for a 3-course midweek special. We want to add this to a category called Midweek Special. To check if that category exists, just click in the box and any categories will drop down. As this doesn't exist, we are going to create a new category. Select Add New Category. In the pop-up, add the category name and press Save. You can add a menu description if desired, but this is not a requirement. Press Next to start adding dishes. In the search box, start typing the name of the first dish on the menu. Let's start with breaded mushrooms. You will see that this dish is in the list, and just press the Add button on the right hand side and it will be added to the menu. The next dish we will add will be pate, and then we want to add the halloumi. Now let's move to the main courses. We have just added the starters using the search function. For the main courses, let's demonstrate the filter function too. In the filter dishes by category, press the drop down and select main courses. Now, only dishes that are categorised as main courses will show up. In the same way, let's add our 3 main courses. Now let's repeat using the filter function and add our desserts. Once we've added our starters, main and desserts, now click Create Menu. This menu has now been created successfully. To communicate this to our customers, we click and download the QR code by pressing on the icon. When the QR code appears on the screen, you can download this by pressing Download QR Code. You can now add this to your menu to give full transparency of allergens and ingredients to your customers. You can also print your menu by selecting this icon. You can now create a menu. Let's return to the dashboard. Printing labels. If you produce food products that are pre-packed for direct sale, you will need the labelling function of Allergen Checker. Labels can be printed from 2 locations. From the dashboard, select Print Label. A window will open with all the dishes or food products listed. Simply search for your product using the search function. We're going to select the Caesar salad as we sell this pre-packed for direct sale. Select the print icon on the right and a new window will open. You can see a label that complies with Natasha's law. If the label isn't the right size for you, you can choose a preset. Select the preset that you require. When this preset changes, it can often be wrongly sized. You can adjust the size of the font by pressing the down arrow until the size fits and then press Print. You also have the facility to add the icons. To add icons to your labels, just select Enable Icons. These are not required for pre-packed for direct sale labels. You can also add a disclaimer text. This is only to be used in the most serious environments. It is not recommended by the Food Standard Agency to use as a blanket disclaimer, as it is very much frowned upon. Your disclaimer text should start with "produced in a kitchen which uses." Then you need to add the allergens you believe are high risk. The second way we can access the printed label function is again from the dashboard, but this time select View Dishes. Next to each dish is a print icon. Simply press this icon and it takes us to the print label function we have just worked on. You can now print your labels.